Battery must be fully charged before use. Plug the charger into a 220-volt power outlet until the red light turns to green. Do not operate the sprayer until it is properly and completely assembled. Carefully inspect the unit and make sure there are no leaks. Never operate if it is damaged. Fill the tank with water and add the recommended disinfectant solution at the proper amount. Once the tank is full, put back the lid to the tank neck to avoid liquid spill out. Wipe the exterior if any spillage occurred while filling the tank. Once the power is switched on, simply squeeze the hand lever to begin spraying and release the lever to stop. When the liquid runs out, simply turn off the pump. Once the hand lever is turned on, waver the wand and do not spray on one spot for too long to avoid too many chemicals sprayed in a single area. Turn the sprayer off. Remove the plug from the battery pack and drain the discharge pressure by pointing the wand in a safe direction and squeezing the hand lever for several seconds. Pour out any residual contents of the tank. Battery should be fully charged for storage. To charge the battery after each use.